It's time to welcome a very special guest. She's won 13 Grammy Awards and sold over 30 million albums, performing Try Sleeping with a Broken Heart. It's the one and only Alicia Keys.
Even if you were a million miles away, I can still feel you in my bed. Near me, touch me, feel me. And even at the bottom of the sea, I can still hear inside my head telling me, touch me, feel me. And all the time you were telling me lies. Hey, so tonight I'm gonna find a way to make it without you. Tonight I'm gonna find a way to make it without you. I'm gonna hold on to the time that we had. Tonight I'm gonna find a way to make it without you. Have you ever tried sleeping with a broken heart? Well, you could try sleeping in my bed. Lonely on me, nobody ever shut it down like you. You are the crown, you made my body feel every bound. Why don't you hold me, need me? I thought you told me you'd never leave me. Looking in the sky